Hello everyone. Today I will show you one of our ongoing 13 years old 3 BHK flat renovation project which is located in Rainbow Works Apartment, Suraksha Nagar, Begur, Bangalore. Let's go. Turn your old home into a modern one, you are in the right spot. Yes, Coucal Interiors and Renovation Company is your one-stop solution for all your needs. What are you waiting for? Give us a call today. Thank you.